it's the financial limitations na that's holding you back. Kasi hindi biro ang pumunta ng Japan eh. I mean, yung gagastusin mo na lang sa araw na yon, yung syempre yung uniforme mo pa, yung syempre pagpo-process ng papers and so on. Ikaw ba, Jomar, what do you think is the how do you plan on going past that hurdle and make that dream a reality?
So right now, I'm working, but also it's not gonna be enough. Kaya nga I'm trying really hard to reach out to some people to convince them to help me. Honestly, yung social media ko naman hindi malawak yung reach. But what I can offer them is it's a real opportunity for someone to go to Japan to prove himself. Like especially now, ang daming Filipino athletes na nagiging successful internationally, and I want to ride the wave na makasabay ako sa kanila and prove that there's also a Pinoy wrestler na kayang makisabay sa mga foreigners. And ayun, I'm trying real hard to reach out to them and convince them to support me. And sobrang laking bagay na nun kahit mag-like and share lang nung post o isabihin sa friends nila na, merong Pinoy wrestler na nanghihingi ng help. As in, any amount helps a lot. Yun yung